Hello everyone, welcome to Castro Squad. So today I will guide you how you can apply for UNIL International Scholarship in Switzerland for Master Degree Program. So before I start my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. Let's start the video. So this is the home page of UNIL International Scholarships for Master Degree Program, and I will give the link of this website in description. So here you can check some information. If you scroll down, you can read from here some informations. What are the conditions necessary for applying for a master's scholarship and how can I apply for a master's scholarship? You can check from here the procedure and calendar of selection process. Deadline is 1st November 2021 and November-December processing of application by the Social Affairs and Student Mobility Office and the Admission Department. Then in March, the selection board for master's scholarship select the candidate who will be offered a master's scholarship, and in early April, candidates are informed of the selection board decision. So you have to wait until April 2022. So if you see here on right side, you can see application form and documents to provide. So first, if you click here application form, so this is the application form. First of all, you have to attach your photo here, and application form for the master's scholarship at UNIL. The application for the master's scholarship also serve as an application for admission to your chosen master degree. You must not apply for the master's via the admissions department. So first is start date of proposed. So exact name of the proposed master degree including specialization. I will give the programs list in description so you can check which programs are available for this scholarship. So the following master programs are offered by UNIL: Biology and Medicine, Public Administration, Law and Criminal Justice, Geosciences and Environment, Business and Economics, Arts, Social and Political Sciences, Theology and Sciences of Religious, Interfaculty programs. So choose the program according to your field. And then so here write the name of master degree program and duration of study, minimum number of semesters and credits 2 years, and from here select the faculty at UNIL. So from here select the faculty. You can select faculty of arts, business and economics, so select according to you. Next is write your surname and maiden name, first name, then write date of birth, nationality, and Swiss matriculation number where applicable. This is optional, not necessary. So from here select your gender, write your mother tongue, marital status, email address, phone number, and permanent postal address. Complete permanent postal address right here. Next is school curriculum. So first you have to give the information of your secondary school diploma. So name of secondary school right here, country of secondary school, exact title of secondary school diploma, and year diploma was obtained, in which year you obtained the degree of your secondary school diploma, and which grade you achieved, any distinctions achieved, yes or no. And next is university program, means you have to give the bachelor degree information. So give the name of university, country of university, official duration of study, how much year, subject and focus of study, your main subjects, exact name of the university degree obtained or to be obtained. So have you already obtained the university degree in? So here give the answer yes or no. If yes, then write the date when you obtained the degree, and if not, then give the expected graduation date of your degree. Next is university program. If you have obtained or are in the process of obtaining an other university degree, so if you obtain an other degree from university, so give the information of that degree. Here name of university, official duration, country, subject, all these like above. Next is language ability. So first write here, for example, you write here English, then number of years studied, how much year you studied English, and then from here select the level of your language, A1, A2, B1, B2, according to your level, and you can give the information of other languages here and then number of years studied and level. Please attach a copy of the official certificate of knowledge of French if the attended master is in French, or of English if the intended master is in English. So if your master is in English, then attach the copy of official certificate. Additional information: have you received a scholarship for foreign study in the past? So if you receive any scholarship in past from foreign countries, then here write yes or no. If so, from which institution, specify the date and duration. So if yes, then give the name of institution and date and duration. So this is declaration. I agree that the information contained within the present document will be communicated with respect for the federal and cantonal legislation regarding data protection. So here write the date and you can write your name, and then so after filling the application form, just go to required documents. So this is documents to provide, list of documents. So master scholarship at UNIL, list of documents to attach to your application is the application form, daily completed and signed. So as you see previous, we fill the form. A passport size photograph inserted in the application form in JPEG format. A copy of your secondary school diploma you have to attach for bachelor's, issued from a university based in a state which has ratified the Lisbon Recognition Convention. A copy of your academic qualifications and of all of the grade transcripts from all examinations taken at the university. And for bachelor's, issued from a university based in a state which did not ratify the Lisbon Recognition Convention, check here. And your all certificates are in translated in French, German, English or Italian. For all questions regarding translation and certified copy requirement, please contact the admission department. A copy of the program description of the last semester of your bachelor degree if the degree has not yet been obtained. So if your degree is not completed still now, then give the program description of the last semester of your bachelor degree. The next is you have to attach the CV, cover letter, 2 original letters of recommendation from the candidate's lectures in sealed envelopes, and a copy of the official certificate of knowledge of the language in which the master is taught. For example, TOEFL or IELTS for English, and DLF or DELF for French. B2 in French or C1 is in English is the minimum level of required to follow the courses. So a copy of your passport or identity card, proof of payment of the CHF 200 administration fee. So 200 CHF is application fee. You pay the fee and then get the receipt, and then you have to attach this receipt with application form. So where you have to pay the application fee, bank details for payment, post finance, this is the bank details where you have to pay the fee. Any banking charges must be borne by the senders. No refunds will be made should the application be withdrawn or rejected. So these are all required documents. So guys, when you complete the application form and when you attach all required documents, list of documents with application form, and when you will pay the application fee, then after all this process, just send this application form and all required documents to this address by post. Candidates must send their completed application, refers to the document in the margin, list of documents to attach to your application, unbound by post only to the following address. So you have to send the application form and all documents to this address by post. The application form must be completed on a computer and duly signed by the candidate. The application for the master scholarship also serves as an application for admission to your chosen masters and therefore an application to register at UNIL. And the deadline is 1st November. So hope you guys understand how you can apply for UNIL International Scholarship for Master Degree Program. So if you have any question, then ask me in comment section. I will be happy to answer your queries. So just apply for the scholarship and wait until early April. Then in April they will inform you by email you are selected, if you are selected. So if you have any question regarding to this scholarship, then ask me in comment section. I will be happy to answer all your queries. If you like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. See you in another interesting and informative video. Take care. Bye bye.